Hey everyone, today I'm going to quickly show you how to add a header and a footer to your spreadsheet. It's pretty basic. First, you want to make sure that you open up your spreadsheet. Next, you want to go to the Insert tab, and then all the way at the right, you're going to see this little header and footer. It's going to open up the page similar to the view that we have it in right now. And then you're going to be able to put in your header and your footer. I would recommend keeping everything here pretty much the same. What you can do now is you can add a page number. You can mess around with the number of pages. You can insert the date. So say in the top left we want to put current date. So it's going to put a formula for the date. We can also add a file path, change the file name, or put a sheet name. Or we can insert a picture. So if your company has a logo, or you have a logo with the business you're working with, you can insert in the right, for example, and just drop a picture in there. You can also scale it with the document. I would highly recommend you leave that on, as well as different first page and align with page margins just to keep your formatting looking sharp. Say our company is called Jet Pro Limited. We can leave that up at the top there, and then we can just go on to our footer. So we can go to the footer and we can put in at the bottom the page number, and it's going to detect what page that you're on depending on how many pages you have in your spreadsheet, and you're good to go. You can go back to the header, switch back to the footer, whatever you want to edit, no problem. It's all there. And if you get out of the header and footer section, you'll notice now that the date is at the top left. The current date is October 26, 2018 today. Our company Jet Pro Limited is there, and at the bottom we have the page number. Alright everyone, that's how you insert a header and a footer. Thank you very much.